Topic: UK to combat China influence in Jamaica by replacing Jamaica crumbling bridges. An article in the Jamaican Observer dated the 24th of January 2025 stated that UK companies to supply and install 55 bridges across Jamaica in a multi-million-dollar deal. Kingston, Jamaica. The United Kingdom has reaffirmed its commitment to Jamaica's infrastructural development through a multi-million-dollar accelerated bridge renewal program. Financed by UK Export Finance, the initiative will see the replacement of approximately 55 bridges across the island, enhancing connectivity, public safety, and economic growth. The signing of the framework agreement for the program took place Thursday night at a reception hosted by British High Commissioner to Jamaica, Judith Slater. The event, held at the High Commissioner's residence in Kingston, was attended by Jamaican government ministers, overseas partners, members of the private sector, staff of the British High Commission, members of the media, and other officials. Speaking at the reception, Slater described the deal as a milestone in the long-standing partnership between the UK and Jamaica. "I talk a lot about building bridges between our two countries, but that is in the abstract. Tonight, we're building bridges for real. This is a significant step in the shared commitment to modernize infrastructure," said Slater. Meanwhile, Minister without portfolio in the Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation with responsibility for works, Robert Nesta Morgan, informed that Jamaica has over 800 bridges, and many are dated and have been ravaged by both old age and climate change. "I want to really thank the UK government for being a friend of Jamaica for a very long time. I think that this bridge program is another step in building stronger bonds, or as we say, building stronger bridges between both countries," Morgan said. The agreement builds on a memorandum of understanding signed in April 2024 by the Government of Jamaica through the Ministry of Finance and the Public Service and UKEF. Jamaica's Minister of Finance and the Public Service, Fayval Williams, also expressed the Jamaican government's appreciation for the initiative, stating, "It's a signal of us moving the discussion along further to dismantle old bridges. I'm delighted. This is a serious undertaking, and it demonstrates the commitment of the government of Jamaica to move forward with this, and I'm sure that the people of Jamaica, when they get the news about this, will be very happy. Building bridges, updating the ones that we have, will mean that our network infrastructure is that much more resilient." Key partners in the implementation of the program are UK-based companies Acro and Lagan. Acro, a global leader in bridge infrastructure for more than 75 years, will supply the new modular bridges, while Lagan, a specialist contractor from the UK specializing in civil engineering on complex projects, will lead the installation program. Both entities already have experience with Jamaica and will work closely with Jamaica's National Works Agency, or NWA. UKEF, the UK government's export credit agency, has allocated up to £5 billion in financing capacity for Jamaica, enabling support for critical infrastructure projects.
Check one, check two, check.
Jesse McDougall, UKEF's director for the Caribbean, highlighted, "We feel that many things are aligning. This is a beautiful thing that is happening with this project, and I could not be more delighted with it." The Accelerated Bridge Renewal Program reflects the enduring partnership between the UK and Jamaica, reinforcing shared priorities to improve infrastructure and drive economic advancement across the island. It's about time the UK stepped up and finally decided to assist Jamaica with its crumbling bridge networks. China has already been making strides in helping with Jamaica's infrastructure, leaving the UK behind in terms of aid and support. With the UK's expertise and resources, it is well overdue for them to contribute to the maintenance and improvement of Jamaica's critical transportation infrastructure. It's crucial for countries to come together and support each other in times of need, and the UK has finally recognized the importance of lending a helping hand to Jamaica. Let's hope this marks the beginning of a strong partnership between the two nations for the betterment of Jamaica's infrastructure. See article from the Jamaica Observer in the description section of this post.